Hey, I'm Greg and I love skiing. But what I love above all is filming myself with my Parrot Bebop 2 power while skiing. Ready in a few seconds, the drone takes off from my hand.
Wait guys!
On my phone, I can select myself in a picture and then the drone starts to follow me during my descent. But there is something I have to admit. I'm a terrible skier. As you can see, these images don't paint the best picture of my skiing skills. But that was before I discovered the Free Flight Pro app and its new Flight Director feature. I choose the duration of the video and highlight my moments of glory. Then, I select my music and the other cool effects. It's so easy. And here's the result. All I have to do now is share it with my friends and impress them with my talents. Not bad, right?